Hey guys, welcome back to What Are You Doing Reacts. I'm Marco. Today I'm joined by
Tash,
Ian,
Josh,
Evan,
and we are reacting to V Love Me Again official music video.
Ooh, let's go.
I think it got released a few days ago maybe. So I reckon we just go straight into it.
Yeah,
So, yeah,
keen.
make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and check out our Patreon if you want to check out some polls. Alright, I'm going to go straight into it. Oh, V.
Damn.
It's looking golden.
shiny.
Wow. Oh. Old school.
Vintage television.
Yeah. Oh, the outfits. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. Ooh.
I like the vibe of this music video.
It's so smooth.
Yeah. So edgy.
I like this vaporwave beat as well.
Oh.
Ooh, the transition.
Oh, V's voice is so clean.
Far
Holy
out.
Jesus.
And it's so smooth.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
That was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that.
I feel like we haven't seen V in a while. But wow, that was really good. Alright guys, we're going to check out V Rainy Days official music video as well in the same video. And then we'll compare which one we reckon our favourite is, or our bias
yeah,
is.
we'll pick our favourite one.
Because the other one was insane, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, this one can top that
Yeah,
one.
alright. Rainy Days.
Similar vibe, eh?
So we released them both kind of together.
Similar time, I think. Same hair. Ooh.
Man, the visuals.
100%.
Wait, this one's really good.
Yeah, I'm loving this.
Right back to you. my phone engaged, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 잊어지는 일을 맨날 time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시 can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Rainy days like rainy days.
It's like the perfect vibe.
Yeah, I love it.
It's a bad song though. Both songs are
This is
good.
not what I expected at all.
This visual's really cool.
Remember how I used to make you
Oh.
the most. 내가 이런 말을 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over.
Wait, this is cool.
Yeah, wow.
너는 나의 Clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Oh.
Is he painting with a breadstick?
Days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the
What a sexy man.
right back to you.
With the visuals, man.
Never seen anything like this.
Yeah, wow. It's like got an
Bro,
artistic
whoever
kind of
did this
touch.
needs a bonus.
Oh my god,
Wow.
rainy days.
Wow, that was insane.
Oh my god.
I think I have a preference between the two.
You reckon?
Yeah, I have a preference.
I don't know if I can pick those.
It's so hard for me to pick,
exactly.
man.
They're both good in their both.
I liked the music video for that one better, but I like the other song better.
Mm.
Okay, so Rainy Days music video and Love Me Again song.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go Rainy Days for both.
Okay.
I definitely prefer Rainy Days. But Love Me Again was,
Crazy.
yeah, it was crazy as well, but I think Rainy Days edged it for me.
What about you, Tash? What do you think?
I feel like the whole vibe of Love Me Again was just like immaculate, but I don't know if it's just because we heard it like most recently, but like Rainy Days was, it was pretty crazy. Just the video, like the music, but Love Me Again is so good as well.
Yeah. I'll say, first of all, like, yeah, I really like the vibe of Rainy Days. Like, it really made you want to just, like, stay at home, like, rainy day, like, no work, no uni, anything.
Yeah.
Just listen to that song. But Love Me Again, man. The vibe of that is just crazy good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was just so smooth as well. Like, Rainy Days, it had, like, a good vibe. It, like, put me in the right atmosphere. But Love Me Again, I don't know, just the vocals. I feel like he showed off his vocals way more on Love Me Again.
True.
Yeah. I think I'm going to have to pick that one.
I can't decide.
Oh,
I
time.
just can't decide, man.
Yeah.
I gotta listen to both of them multiple times.
I mean, the thing is...
They're both so good.
Yeah. It is hard to decide because, like, they got a similar vibe going on.
Exactly.
And you know what? If he releases an album, like I'm assuming this is leading up to an album. If the album has this vibe going on,
Oh my god,
that
we gotta
was
check it out.
crazy.
You know what I mean?
yeah,
Holy-
should we listen to the whole thing? Like honestly, I'm actually
Yeah.
hyped for this album.
Wait, is he making an album? Like, or is this just like
Might be
a double?
I don't know.
Sure. I mean, let us know in the comments. Surely this is promo for an upcoming album.
Yeah.
But as soon as that comes out, I mean, let us know in the comments if you want us to react to that.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed our reaction to V's Rainy Days and Love Me Again, chuck us a like, put down some comments, subscribe. Also, check out our Patreon. There'll be polls there so you can vote weekly. Alright, that's WID Reacts. Thanks guys.
Thank you.
To fade away.